Alright guys, welcome to the meet. This is a new lens. This is wide angle lens. You guys can see. We're gonna run to a meet. We're gonna meet up with R8 Burnt Rubber. He's got an R8 now, no more GTR. But we're super late. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We gotta roll, we gotta roll. Let's go, let's go. Yee! So this time I'm not gonna be close up on your face, so make sure to give that video a thumbs up. Like this video. This is a new angle. We gotta hop in right now. My blow off out being stuck with water, by the way. All right guys, we're here at the gas station. There's a bunch of bikers here. They were bullying me. They said this was cute. Oh, they'll probably beat me. Their bikes are fast. I would not mess with bikes, but either way, we gotta put gas. Putting around 20 bucks. Actually, I might want to stay light. We might put just, honestly, I think this is good. We did all that struggle just to put $17 of UE5.
Don't drip up all the way.
Who are you, first of all? Alright guys, we're about to roll out with Subzilla and R8 Burnt Rubber with the twin turbo R8. God damn, I think I'm the slowest one in this group. I'm boosting. It sucks to be the slow one. We gotta upgrade the G, bro. 1,000 horsepower G. Gotta upgrade it. Alright guys, I don't know what's gonna happen. There's a CHP behind Subzilla right now. I don't know if I'm gonna get pulled over or not. This might be the end of the G35, but we're gonna keep it cool. Alright guys, you guys just saw CHP was right behind. I don't know if you guys caught it, but he was right behind Subzilla, and then he stayed close by, and then he just merged away from the freeway. He took the exit, so we're on the clear. Shout out to Subzilla, brother. Alright guys, so I didn't know we were gonna take this exit, but we took the exit to my old college, bro, where I went to UC Davis. I love this school, bro. I never had a chance to take my boosted G around here because I have no point. I graduated. And what am I using my degree for? Absolutely nothing. Which is quite sad. Hey, what's up, brother? Alright guys, so we just made it to the meet right here. Man, I never been to a meet in this parking lot, but it's about... You guys hear that? Hello people, oh, look at Roberto. Hey, what up fam, what up fam? We're already getting some support out here. It's Godzilla, that's what makes that sound. What up, G? I'm gonna get a picture right here. Alright guys, we just landed at the meet. How you guys liking the new stabilized camera though? You guys feel less dizzy?
Guys, we just landed at the meet.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Hell yeah, this is fire. What?
There's a race here.
Are these fresh kicks or what?
I know, I felt like it was his.
My hood doesn't hold up no more, so I'm gonna have to buy a skateboard now.
Damn, bro.
He did save my life.
He was riding my ass, bro.
I was in front. As soon as I saw him in the mirror, I was like, oh, let me go.
He literally moved. So,
bro, when
he goes behind the Jeff, and then basically I see the CHP coming up behind both of you guys. So I quickly change my lane, get behind Ruben, and then the CHP just starts riding my ass like he wants to light me up, but he has nothing for me. He's like, oh, this Supra's brand new. I can't do nothing.
Oh, bro, when you got in front of the cop, I was like, bro, you are taking one for the team right now. Look at that sound.
I know, dude. I was like, I had it in neutral for a second. I was like, fuck, I'm slowing down too much.
You gotta put.
This is like my shit right here.
Yes, sir. Representing the G's. What is this man doing? Stay right behind me, bro. Doors open.